Hi everyone, Dave here. If your home's like my home and you have electrical baseboard heating, you'll probably see your electricity costs increase in the winter months. Did you know electrical baseboard heating can account for up to 50% of your home's overall energy use? That's why it's important to use them efficiently. Good news, I'm here to help. One of the best things you can do is simply turn off the heat in rooms you're not using and close the doors to those rooms so they're not stealing heat from the rest of the house. That'll make a big difference right off the bat. Make sure to keep a close eye on that thermostat and adjust it based on what you're up to. If you're just hanging out and reading poetry like I am, 21 degrees Celsius is perfect. If you're doing something more active like vacuuming or, in my case, jazzercise, 20 degrees Celsius is really nice. If you're getting sleepy, I like to dial down that thermostat to 16 degrees Celsius and I'll have a peaceful slumber. One great option is to switch to a programmable thermostat, which will automatically adjust the temperature at different points during the day. One final tip, make sure those baseboard heaters aren't obstructed by any large pieces of furniture or other items in your home. That'll help them work more efficiently. Follow my simple baseboard heating tips to get the most out of your baseboard heaters year-round.